Welcome to our guide on email marketing for small businesses. In today's digital age, effective communication is key to building relationships with your customers. Let's explore how email marketing can help your business thrive. First, let's understand what email marketing is. Simply put, it's the process of sending targeted messages to your audience via email. This powerful tool allows you to reach customers directly and engage them with personalized content. Did you know that for every dollar spent on email marketing, businesses can expect an average return of $42? This statistic highlights why email marketing is one of the most cost-effective strategies available. Now, let's talk about building your email list. Start by collecting email addresses through sign-up forms on your website, social media platforms, and in-store promotions. Remember, the larger your list, the wider your reach. Next, focus on creating engaging content. Your emails should provide value, whether it's informative articles, special offers, or updates about your business. Use eye-catching subject lines to increase open rates and make your emails visually appealing to keep your audience engaged. Don't forget to analyze your results. Use metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. This data will help you refine your strategy and improve future emails. Finally, always test and optimize. A/B testing different subject lines, content, and send times can provide valuable insights into what resonates best with your audience. Email marketing is an invaluable tool for small businesses looking to connect with customers and drive growth. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your business flourish. Thank you for watching.